Hey, what's up everybody? I've been asked a lot how I edit my photos, so I'm going to show you how to turn these photos into this. Alright, let's get started. First things first, I like to go in my camera raw settings and adjust my highlights and my shadows. I usually bring up my whites and lower my blacks just to make it a little more contrasty. I lower my exposure and pull down my vibrance and raise up my saturation just a tad. I use this radial gradient tool to brighten up the center of my image. Once I'm done with that image, I drag my next photo onto my background. I use the object selection tool to cut out my object, and then I create a layer mask. After that, I use the quick selection tool to cut out the middle parts of the camera. Make sure your layer mask is selected, and then use the paintbrush to paint over the selected area. I click on my layer mask and use the paintbrush tool to paint out the water to make it look like it's sinking in. I go to Google to look up for PNGs to use in my photos. I paste the photo on and create a layer mask and just paint out any excess moss I don't want. I adjust my hues and saturations to make it look a little more natural. I also use the burning and dodging tool to make it look like light is shining on certain areas. I make a duplicate of my background layer and place it over top to make the reflection in the glass. I keep repeating the same steps over and over again. So you get your rust PNG and you place it over top. Create a layer mask and paint out any excess rust. Add a little bit of smoke for some effect. At the end, I always do burning and dodging to get the proper lighting. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and comment below and smash that follow button for more videos like this.